Good morning, all of you. Good morning, ma'am. How are you all? Okay, you all are fine, no? So children, we are going to learn a very interesting topic today. Okay, but first, let me ask you something. Okay, in our surrounding, we can see various types of things. Yes or no? Okay, some are living and some are non-living. Okay, can you give some examples of living things? Yes? Yeah, very good. Human being, plants, animals, birds, insects also. Okay? Yes. And some are non-living things. Okay? Okay, now give examples of some non-living things. Door, windows, yes. Duster. This is the duster now? Okay. It's a living or non-living thing, tell me. Okay, what is this? It's a living or non-living thing? Okay, I'm here now. I'm living or non-living? Tell me. But just I have one question. How you know that I'm a living thing and this pen is a non-living thing? Okay, tell me first. Why this pen is a non-living thing and why I am a living thing? Yes, tell me. Living thing can reproduce. Okay, but first important thing, tell me, because I have life now. I can move my own. Yes or no? I can move my own or not? But can it move its own? Move नहीं कर सकता है. But I can move my own. Yes or no? I can eat. Okay. Today I took my breakfast. But this pen, it took its breakfast. No, it don't need food. But I need food. Yes or no? Okay. So from the characteristic we should know one thing is living or non-living. Okay. So let's come to plant. Okay. In your surrounding you can see a lot of various types of plants. Yes or no? Tell me. You can see various types of plants. Okay. Tell me some names, Rajmohan. Can you tell me the names of some plants?
Mango tree.
Yes.
Banana tree.
Yes. Yes, banana tree or banyan tree, yeah. Yeah, mango tree, coconut tree, yeah. There are various types of trees. Okay. Yes. Yes. Can you tell me the parts of a tree? Yeah. Yes. Yes. No, I am not asking the parts of a leaf. I am asking the part of a plant. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Root, stem, leaf, fruit, flower. I am asking the parts of a plant. Okay. I am asking about parts of a plant. Okay. In our body also different types of parts are there. With our hands we are eating, we can hold. With our legs we walk. Okay. So like that plants has also different types of parts. What are that? What are that? Root, stem, leaf, fruit and flower. Okay. So from this part, okay, let's discuss the function of a plant. Okay. Ayush and Saurabh, just sit silently. Don't disturb the class. Saurabh, go to your seat. Okay. So in a plant, various parts are there. Okay. Mainly root, stem, leaf, fruit and flower. And the parts as different type of function again. What is the function of root? Tell me. Root क्या काम करता है? जैसे कि हमारे बॉडी में, in our body, our hands are doing many various types of work. No, we can hold with our hand, we can eat with our hand. Okay, like that in plant, root, it absorb water and minerals. What? Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Root क्या करता है? It absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay. Then stem. Okay. Let's draw a plant first. Okay. This is a plant. Okay. What is this? I am drawing a plant. Okay. This is the flower, suppose. Okay. Okay, now tell me what is this? Okay, it is present below the ground. This is the root. What is the function of root? What is the work of root? It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. This part is the stem. Okay, this part is the stem. Okay, so what is the function of stem? Tell me. It gives support to the plant. Okay, it helps the plant to stand straight. ये क्या करता है stem? Plant को straight करके खड़ा रखता है और it conducts water and minerals also. Okay, root absorb water and minerals और stem क्या करता है? Conduct करता है, पहुंचाता है, leaf तक पहुंचाता है. So stem is also an important part. Then leaf. What are these? Leaf. Okay, and this is the flower. ये क्या है? Flower. And what is this? Fruit. Okay, these are the different parts. And सबका अलग अलग function होता है. Each part has a specific or different function. Okay? So, then come to leaf. Okay, we know about root and stem. Function of root and stem also. Then come to leaf. What is this? Tell me. Simon Patra. Tell me what is this? I have drawn one picture here. What is this, Simon? Leaf. Okay. So, leaf are the important part for a plant or not? Tell me. How? Very good. Because it makes food for the plant. Okay. Understood? So let's discuss the structure of a leaf. Okay, if we will draw a leaf, then this part is called what? Stalk. Okay, what is the function of stalk? काम क्या है stalk का? Can you tell me? Yes, it attaches the. Yes. Stalk is the part by which the leaf attaches to the stem. Okay, stalk क्या है? It is the part by which the leaf attaches to the stem. Okay, here we can see thread-like structures. Okay, this flat, broad and green part is called leaf lamina. ये जो flat, green, broad part होता है ना, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Leaf lamina. Okay, and there are some thread-like structure on the surface of the leaf. कुछ thread-like structure. Thread, you understood thread? हाँ? अरे सूता जो बोलते हैं thread-like structures. Okay, इसके अंदर क्या होता है? There are some thread-like structure on the surface of the leaf which are called as veins. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Veins. And this is the tip of the leaf. Okay? Understood or not? What are the different parts? Tell me. This is the stalk or we can say petiole. इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? Petiole. What is the function of stalk? Stalk is the part by which the leaf attaches to the stem. Okay. So, then again the broad, flat and green part. एक लीफ अगर हम लेंगे जो ब्रॉड फ्लैट और ग्रीन पार्ट होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? लीफ लेमिना और लीफ ब्लेड. Okay, then the thread-like structures on the surface of the leaf are known as veins. Okay, and this is the tip of the leaf. Okay, so this is the structure of leaf. Understood? Huh? Now let's discuss the function of leaf. Why a leaf is very important for a plant. If leaf is not there in a plant, what happened? Tell me. Yes. अगर लीफ नहीं होगा एक प्लांट में तो कैसा क्या होगा? Can you tell me? Yes. Who can say? अगर लीफ नहीं हुआ प्लांट में तो what happened? हाँ? Leaf is very important for a plant. Why? Because leaf is the food factory of the plant. Leaf क्या है? Leaf is the leaf prepare food for the whole plant. Leaf क्या करता है? Prepare करता है क्या? Food for the plant. So leaves are very important for the plant because it prepare food for the whole plant. Okay, tell me one thing. What is there in the leaf so that the leaf can prepare its food? Can we prepare? Listen to me, Satya. Can we prepare food in our body? No. Why? Yes, very good. We don't have chlorophyll, but leaf has chlorophyll. Okay. Okay. Generally, usually leaves are green in color or not? Most of the leaves are green in color. Okay, tell me why the leaves are green in color. Can you say? Yes, because of chlorophyll only. Okay, there is a green matter present in the leaf. Okay, because of that green matter, the color of the leaf is what? Green. Okay, that green matter is known as what? Chlorophyll. Okay, and because of chlorophyll only, the leaf can prepare the food. Because of leaf में क्या होता है? Chlorophyll. And because of chlorophyll, the leaf can prepare food for the plant. Okay, do you understood? Understood or not? Huh? Okay, which part prepare food for the plant? Leaf. For what? Means what is there in the leaf? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll, the leaf prepare the food for the whole plant. Okay, now I am going to say another interesting thing. Okay, leaf can, we know that, we understood that leaf can prepare the food for the plant. But there is a process by which the leaf can prepare food. Okay. Can you tell what is that process? Very good. Photosynthesis. Okay. There is a process by which the leaf can prepare food. Means the food making process of plant is known as what? Photosynthesis. What is that process called? Photosynthesis. Now tell me, what do you mean by photo? Photo means what? Photo means what? Light. Photo मतलब क्या? Light. And synthesis means? Synthesis means? What do you mean by synthesis? To make or putting together or combine. Okay. To make or putting together. Understood? So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the food making process of plant. Okay. Means what? What do you mean by photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means to make or putting together. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. We know that plants can make their own food, yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. So photosynthesis is the process by which the plant make its own food in the presence of, किस किस का presence necessary है? Sunlight and chlorophyll. If sunlight is not there and chlorophyll is not there, it's not possible. Plants can't prepare their food. So two important things are there. Okay, what are that? First sunlight, second chlorophyll. Okay, दो important thing चाहिए photosynthesis process के लिए, that are sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, so photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food by using carbon dioxide and water. वो किस किस को यूज करके बनाते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, so plants किस किस को यूज करके अपना खाना बनाते हैं बताओ? Yes, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर को यूज करते हैं जिससे वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ग्लूकोज नाम का एक कार्बोहाइड्रेट बनाते हैं, बट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल. उनको क्लोरोफिल भी चाहिए और क्या चाहिए? सनलाइट चाहिए, एनर्जी चाहिए, इसलिए वो डे टाइम में ही अपना खाना बना सकते हैं. ओके, इज इट पॉसिबल एट नाइट टाइम? और द प्लांट्स कैन प्रिपेयर देयर फूड एट नाइट? व्हाई नॉट पॉसिबल? टेल मी. Because sunlight is not there, that's why. Yes, at night sun is not there, so they didn't get sunlight. They didn't get sunlight and they can't prepare their food at night. Understood or not? हाँ, समझ में आया? So what do you mean by photosynthesis? Tell me. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means to make or putting together. Okay, so I am going to say the definition first. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as what? Photosynthesis. So understood or not? Tell me. Okay, you understood why in the daytime they can prepare their food and why not in the not at the night? Understood or not? Why in the daytime they can prepare their food? Because of sunlight. And why not at the night time? Because sun is not there, sunlight is not there. That's why. Understood or not? Okay, all of you clear about photosynthesis? Okay, now I am going to ask you some question. Okay, we know the leaves are the important part of a plant. Why leaves? Why we can say the leaves are the important part of a plant? Raj Mohan, give the answer. Why leaves are the important part for a plant? Why? Why leaves are the important part of a plant? Just speak in English. Why leaves are the important part of a plant? Yes, Satya. Yes, plants. Yes, very good. Plants are the food factory of a plant. Leaves are the food factory of a plant because leaves prepare food for the whole plant by the process of photosynthesis. And why only leaf can? Stem क्यों नहीं? Yeah, but in desert areas, okay. Have you seen cactus plant? Okay, उसका जो stem होता है ऐसे round होके एक होता है ना ऐसा वाला एक stem in cactus. Okay, in cactus type of plant there is no leaf. Okay, leaves are modified into thorns like structure. So in that type of plant, the stem, okay, prepare the food for the cactus plant because the stem is green. Understood? All of you understood about photosynthesis? Any doubt?